This is 2025 National Common Entrance Examination past question. And the first question that we have here says, express MMDCCCLXXIV in Hindu Arabic numerals. And they gave us these options. Now, MM means what? 2000. D is 500. CCC is what? 300. Meaning that DCCC is what? Is 800. L is 50. XX is what? Is 1010. That is 20. LXX is what? Is 70. IV is what? 4. So what this thing means is what? 2874. 2874. That is option C. We move to question number 2. In number 2, what we have is express 930 million, 930 million, 7,000, and the word 60. That is option B. Number 3, we have change 39 days to hours. Note that 1 hour, sorry, 1 day is equivalent to what? 24 hours. So, since what they gave us here is 39 days, 39 days will be 39 multiplied by 24. Okay, which is 9 times 4 will give us 36. I will carry 3. 4 times 3 will give us 12. 12 plus this will give us what? 15. 2 times this will give us 18. I will carry 1. 2 times this will be what? 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So when I add this together, this plus this will give us what? 13. I will carry 1 and add it here. It will be what? 936. So answer to question number 3 is option E. We move to this question. What do we have here? What is the place value of 6 in the number? This is what they gave us. So from this, 5 is the unit. 7 is what? Is tenths. 3 is what? Is hundredths. While 3 is what? Is tenths. 6, which is the question that they asked us, is what? Hundredths. Okay? And the 2 is thousands. Okay? So answer to question number 4 is what? Option E. Number 5, we have simplify square root of 16 over 9. Now, square root of 16, that is, we are looking for something that will multiply, a number that will multiply itself 2 times, that will give us what? 16. And also a number that will multiply itself what? 2 times, that will give us what? 9. Which is, that of 16 is what? Is 4. Because 4 times 4 is 16. This one is what? 3. Because 3 times 3 is what? 9. So answer to this question is 4 over what? 3. Or we express it as what? As a mixed fraction, which is 1 whole number 1 over 3. So answer to question number 5 is option C. We move to question number 6. What we have here is what? Express 25% as a decimal. How do we do that? You will write 25 over what? Over 100. There is invisible point here, make it to be visible. How many zeros do we have in 100? 2 zeros. So this invisible point will go backwards 2 times. That is 1, 2. Okay, we now use 0 to cover the point. So what we have as the answer is 0.25. That is option C. We move to question number 7. In question number 7, we are asked to express 24 minutes 36 seconds in seconds. Now, how many seconds make 1 minute? It is what? 1 minute is equivalent to what? 60 seconds. Okay? Meaning that 24 minutes will be what? Will be 60 multiplied by 24. That is, this times this will give us 0. 4 times this will give us 24. 2 times 0 will give us 0. 2 times this will give us what? 2. So what we have here is what? 1, 4, 4, what? 0. You will now add 36 to it. So when we add 36 to it, it will give us 1476. Meaning that the answer to question number 7 is what? Option E. In number 8, we have find the sum of 24 naira, 21 kobo, which is Nigerian currency, and they want 7 naira, 4 kobo. And we also have 11 naira, 19 kobo. Note that all these currencies that we have here, this currency is what? Nigerian currency. So to solve this is very simple. Just put the decimal point. This is the decimal point. This is also the decimal point for the answer. So I will start fixing it. So what we have there is what? 21, 25. The second one is what? 704. I will fill here with 0. This one is 11. This is what? 19. I will put the addition sign. So when I add this, it will give me 14. I will carry 1 and fix it here. It will be what? 4. So what I have here now is 44 kobo. I will move to the other side. So when I add 5 plus this will give us 12 plus 1. It will give us what? 13. I will carry 1 and fix here. It will be 4. I will now put the naira sign, which is what? Nigerian currency. So answer to this question is what? 43 naira, 44 kobo, which is what? 4, option C. All right. So what you are going to do, okay, solve the practice questions that is in what? In that my page. Solve it and forward your answer to the what? To the comment section. Okay. Don't forget to follow my page. If you are watching me from YouTube channel, you subscribe. If it is from what? TikTok, you will as well do what? Follow. So that you will get notifications when I upload what? Next video. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.